Well guys, yesterday we got all the interior out of this car, so we're gonna start looking at the next thing. And should I look at seeing if it runs? No. What I should look at is putting a cage in it. Yeah, I think that's the next step. So I've pulled up the rules here. Single bar mounted on each door frame, so that's 2 driver door bars. Inside and out roll bars going across the roof, can be bolted twice through the roof. Okay, I have a cage that could do that. Maximum seat bars 3x3. My cage is actually 3x3 in one of my cars. Can be bolted or welded through the back seats. Can be bolted to the floor, not mandatory. In 2 places, no larger than 5x5. No dash bar, no passenger side bar. So we can run everything except a passenger door bar. That's about it, and no dash bar. Now gas tank, we'll have to look at that one. So I have a cage that might fit this perfectly, and it's a cage I haven't used in a while. I know exactly which one it is. Unfortunately, it's outside though. So I think first things first, we got to make some space on the roof. There we go. All this stuff here can just go on the floor. I will deal with that later. But let's go see where the cage is I need to get out for this car. So let's go. I used to keep all my stuff inside, but because I've been keeping so many other things in the inside, I've been kind of running out of space. So we have a late winter storm this year, and the ground's all covered in snow, which sucks, but now we have to go outside and find our cage. Okay, over here in this Camry, I've been using it as a shed this winter. I bought this Camry in the fall, but this has my old Pro cage in it, which apparently I need to open the trunk to get it out. I didn't think I did that, but I may have. Driver door's locked. Oh no. Oh. Okay, so what bars do I need out of this? Don't really care for the paint job. Just don't break the windows. We've got all the cage in here. That was cold. That was very shitty. But we have to put the not the gas tank. We have to put the seat in before we put the cage in, because then it's gonna make it so that the doors don't open. It's gonna be a lot harder. So, first things first, let me just move everything here. Not sure the proper way how to put in a driver's seat, so I assume that, like, you just give it the old heave-ho. She should just fly right in there, I think. So what I want is the old driver's seat installed. So there we go. I'm just joking. Let's get that seat installed. We have Fueled by Haters on the TV over here. Nothing like building derby cars, watching other people drive derby cars. But we're gonna start putting the cage in this car. Now this cage has kind of been out of this car for, the cage has been in the car since pretty much 2018, and I took it out for the first time last fall. So it's been a while since I installed this cage, and I think some of these holes are drilled and tapped. I think some of them are not drilled and tapped. These ones here are through bolts. That one there, I ripped the entire floor out. So I have the 2 halos connected with bolts just loose. I think the next step is to put the post-to-post in. And then once the post-to-post is in, then we can put the door bars in. I'm gonna put the passenger side bar in, and if they tell me to remove it, it's 2 bolts. So like, I think it'll be much nicer setting the cage up with the bar in there So I'm just gonna use the bar to go inside the car. So I'm gonna put this camera on a time lapse and turn the TV up and start working away. Guys, that didn't take us very long. In a period of 35 minutes, maybe 38, I'll have to check the time-lapse time. We got the halo, we got the post-to-post, the gas tank bracket, the door bars all in. The only thing, I got to bolt it through the roof. The only thing I didn't do is bolt it to the floor because when I do it by myself, I got to put the threads facing down. But I really do want those threads facing up. And the reason for that is if this car bellies out, those threads hanging down by 1 inch are gonna dig into the mud and the dirt and actually slow me down. So if I can stick them facing up, that'd be much better. Even for tearing the car apart, it's much better. So, it's funny. We got the cage in there. We got the doors so you can't open them anymore because of the cage. But, I still don't know if this car runs. So stick with us. The next thing we're probably going to be doing is put a battery and a gas tank in this and a standalone harness to see if it runs. It might be the next thing, or I might get sidetracked and do something completely different to this car. Instead of doing that, maybe I'll work on the back end. I don't know. But I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. We got the cage in this thing, and we did a great thing, I think. This thing went in there pretty good. We didn't put the gas tank protector in because the rules actually do not allow for a gas tank protector. I was debating, do I just put it in and then get there and then tell me to take it out? It's 4 bolts. I might do it. Who knows? They might just say, that's fine, go. Or they might say, take that damn thing out of there. We'll have to see. What do you guys think? Should I put the gas tank protector in there? It just bolts to this cage with 4 8 half-inch bolts. So like it's just bang, 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 in, out. I don't know. But seat is in, cage is in. We're ready for the next step. You know what? Maybe I'll put the shifter in next. I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's workshop. It's good to be starting to build these Camrys again. I kind of know what I'm doing on them, so they get built pretty fast. So, like 35 minutes to put in a good cage. Now, mind you, this cage was built in like 2015, so some of these welds are not super nice. I think I'd cut all this with a torch. I think I welded this back together before I even had, this was all flux core with a 120 MIG. Maybe I should go over some of these welds. I'm probably not, but I should. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here later on Zach's Workshop.